We can think of electric flux in three ways: a qualitative definition, a definition that involves electric field and surface area, and another one that involves enclosed charge. Our qualitative definition is simply that the electric flux is proportional to the number of field lines going out of a surface minus the number of field lines going into a surface. So for example, if we had 10 Newton per Coulomb of electric field leaving this box, 5 Newton per Coulomb going in, field lines out minus field lines in is 10 minus 5, resulting in positive 5, which means that our flux through this box is positive. We can then quantify that qualitative definition with the following equations. In 2 dimensions, our flux is equal to our electric field dot area, where this dot is the dot product, and this A vector represents the area of our 2D surface, and its direction is perpendicular to the surface. So magnitude is just the area, direction is perpendicular. And if we go one step further and expand out this dot product, it becomes EA cosine of theta, where theta is the angle between our area vector and our electric field. In 3 dimensions, this equation becomes a surface integral, but we're only going to consider 2 special cases in this class. Case 1 is where our electric field and our area are perpendicular. In this case, the flux is going to be 0 because the angle between our 2 vectors becomes 90 and cosine 90 is equal to 0. The second case we'll consider is when our electric field and our area vector are parallel. In that case, our flux simply becomes the electric field times the surface area of whatever the object is. The third way we can think about electric flux is in terms of enclosed charge, where the flux is equal to the charge enclosed by the surface divided by the constant epsilon naught. So for example, if this is our surface and we have these 4 charges inside it, then the charge inside is simply the sum of these charges. There's 3 negatives and 1 positive for a net total of negative 2 charge. So our flux is simply negative 2q over epsilon naught.